so. Otherwise, during the entire tour, please stay seated and keep your arms and legs inside the vehicle at all times. Remember, off to the right of our property and our neighbors, including the Warner Brothers Studios, the Disney Studios, and the Nickelodeon Show. Here's Jimmy Fallon. Oh, hey there. You made it. To the right from artist Kristen E, who celebrates 80 years of movie monster history. This mural just celebrated its 1-year anniversary, and it looks great here on a movie studio lot. As we round the corner, though, all of a sudden it's going to look a lot less like a movie studio lot and a lot more like a big city. This features some really cool vehicles, including the mobile lab, the RV here on your screens from the Lost World Jurassic Park. That RV is actually made out of wood and then painted to look like metal. Now, there are currently no dinosaurs in that RV coming up off to the left or in any of these dinosaur cages. And with no dinosaurs in these dinosaur cages, I feel safe.
Monsters and creatures from, prehistoric times. So I was thrilled when Universal invited me back to Skull Island, and it's great to have you along for the ride. Now we have created this 3D immersive experience.
And as we make our way to the home of King Kong, please remain seated and secure any items you want secure. And welcome to the home of King Kong. Welcome to Skull Island. Get your 3D glasses ready. So true.
Okay, glasses on everybody. We're back in Skull Island.
Not only do we have rides, we're actually our own city here at Universal with a real Los Angeles County fire station with a diver making a final sweep, checking everything out, and some ominous music playing there. And there's a fin in the water. Okay, all right, it could be that that fin is connected to a second shark. It could be that that shark is connected to a set of jaws, and it could be that those jaws are connected to the diver out there. He's gonna be fine. All right, we're gonna clear the area. Go ahead and sit back down. We're gonna be safe here on the pier next to these barrels of flammable gasoline. As long as the shark doesn't do anything completely unexpected, like attack the pier. On the screens. Now right now it's easiest to see the rain where the sunlight is shining on it. So if you're going to film this for a movie, we would definitely bring out some movie lights, have the lights shine out on the water to create reflection and shadows to really make it easier for us to see the rain. These raindrops are also larger than the misty kind of raindrops we often get here in Los Angeles, again, to make it easier for us to see the water. But it's really easy to see the water when it comes down in the form of a flash flood like that. We're all in this together. The flood is created when thousands of gallons of water get to the table at the top of the hill. After the water comes down, it's pumped back up to the top for at least the next time. Easy effect. Special abilities and talents. We're going to join the group. We're going to become part of the Fast family. Together, help save a witness from some bad guys named Shaw. Hang on to your seats, which is a fancy way of saying please remain seated. I'm going to introduce you to my brother Roman Pierce. He's going to fill us in on what's going on so that together we can save the witness, take out the bad guy, save the day. Characters hide out in the movie War of the Worlds. That is an actual plane destroyed specifically for this incredible scene. That is an actual bicycle destroyed specifically for this incredible scene. And that is an actual suitcase destroyed specifically for this incredible scene. Up here at the top of the hill, you can see all those other studios. They look up to us here at Universal.